In this video, you'll learn how to reset your Binance 2FA Authenticator using Google Authenticator. This process is essential if you have lost access to your current Authenticator app and need to regain entry to your account securely. Start by navigating to the Binance website or launching the Binance app on your device. Sign into your account with your credentials. After successfully logging in, locate your profile icon, which is usually found in the upper right corner of the screen. Click on your profile and from the drop-down menu, select Security Settings. In the Security Settings, find the section labeled Two-Factor Authentication. Here you will see various options, including Google Authenticator. Carefully review the reset option available in this section as this will initiate the reset process. Next, select the option to reset Google Authenticator. This action will prompt you to verify your identity. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the identity verification. Depending on your account security settings, you may need to upload specific documents for verification. Ensure that you have these documents ready. Once you have submitted the required documents, review your information and confirm the reset request. This step is crucial as it authorizes Binance to proceed with resetting your authenticator. After submitting your request, you will need to wait for a notification from Binance regarding the approval of your reset request. This may take a few moments, so be patient. Once you receive the approval notification, proceed to set up your new Google Authenticator code. Open the Google Authenticator app on your device and follow the instructions provided by Binance to add a new account. During this process, you will be given a backup key. Save this key securely, as it will be essential for future access if needed. Once you have configured your new Google Authenticator code, it is important to test your login. Log out of your account and attempt to sign in again using the new code generated by the Google Authenticator app. This final step ensures that the reset has been successful and that you can access your account without issues. Make sure your internet connection is stable during this process, as a weak connection may lead to delays or errors. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.